alaikum everybody, it's Jenna G, the hijab from TNT. This morning hubby and I were talking about why not have a family get together later. It is the weekend, and weekends, you know, we like to do stuff with family, friends. So we decided to have a little house line later. We're not sure what to put together. Go curry, pilau, food, broth, soup. We had to go to the grocery, so we decided we'll go and check out what's available and pick up some of the items there. Now we got the Extra Foods. You guys supposed to know by now Extra Foods has a lot of specials every month. And this month there are actually lots of items on special. So we decided to go in the junk food kind of direction. So we grabbed some chicken patties, some fries, and fries are going to be exciting because we're going to be doing a chili cheese fries and loaded veggie fries. Alright, so these are some of the items we grabbed this morning from Extra Foods, and they're all on special. So we're going to be working with some fries, and we've got the cabbage and carrots. So I said why not we can like a coleslaw to go with them, and we're going to be using the fries to do some exciting dishes. Alright, so you guys basically know how to put together burgers. These aren't burgers from scratch, so it's going to be very easy. All these, it's just a matter of putting them onto the grill and just dressing your burger accordingly. Put anything you want in it, onions, lettuce. We're going to be using some coleslaw in it. So we're just going to put these on the grill, and then we're going to get to the exciting part with the fries. Alright, so our burgers are finished, and now it's time to get to the fun part with the fries. So I have a baking sheet that I'm going to be using. Just going to we're going to bake these until they're nice and golden brown. So we're going to put these in the oven, and we'll check them back in a couple of minutes. We're going to bake them just until they're nice and brown, and then we're just going to load them up afterwards. Alright, so we've got our fries in the oven, and the next thing we're going to be working on is the topping for the fries. Now, loaded fries is just something that can be so fun. You can put just about anything you like onto the fries. So I'm going to be doing a chili cheese fries today. So we're going to make our own home style sort of chili. And for the other one, we're going to be doing veggies with jalapenos, some chopped tomatoes and onions. So let's put together our chili while the fries are baking in the oven. Okay, so we're starting off with our chili. We're going to make our chili now, and I have some chopped onions, pimento, tomatoes, some freshly made green seasoning, my minced beef, some red beans, and I am going to be using some tomato paste as well. So our oil is heating, and we're just going to combine everything. Alright, so to our oil, I'm going to be adding the chopped onions, peppers, and pimento. Then I'm adding my minced beef. Then we're adding some tomato paste. Then our green seasoning, soy sauce, and then we're going to be throwing in our red beans. And last but not least, we're going to be adding some all-purpose seasoning. Putting this on low and let it simmer for a few minutes. Alright, so our chili is just about finished, and before we finish it off completely, we're going to throw in some ground chili. So now that our chili is finished, we're going to be working on the veggies for the other loaded fries we're going to be doing. So we're going to be adding some jalapenos. I didn't add some mushrooms as well, some jalapenos, some mushrooms, and some onions. We're going to be sauteing that, and that'll be it, and we'll top it with tomatoes and everything else. So we got our oil heating up and added some butter as well. What we're going to be doing is adding in our veggies just to saute it a bit. So that's corn, jalapenos, mushrooms, and some onions. And I'm adding some green seasoning to it, as well as some all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder. So we're just going to cook it until the onions are nice and tender. Alright, and that's about it for our veggies. So we're just going to turn off the stove and start to load up our fries. Alright, so fries are out of the oven. We've got our chili and we've got our vegetables, and this is going to be the fun part All we're going to be basically doing is putting the fries into a baking tray, and we're going to be topping it with some cheese, grated cheese, any cheese you want, any amount of cheese that you like. And we're going to be adding vegetables, and then we're going to be adding more cheese to it and putting it into the oven just until the cheese melts. And then we're going to finish off by garnishing with some fresh chives and some freshly chopped tomatoes. So we're going to be adding our fries, and then I'm going to be sprinkling some Cajun seasoning on it just to give it some extra flavor. Now I'm adding some grated cheese. Then I'm going to be adding my veggies. Now I'm just going to sprinkle the cheese on top of it. So you're going to put this back into the oven just until that cheese is nice and melted. Now we're going to do the same thing for the chili. So we got all our fries into our baking tray. We're going to be doing the chili cheese now. We're going to be spreading some grated cheese on top. Then we're going to be adding our chili. We're going to pop this back into the oven until the cheese is nice and melted. Alright, so our chili cheese fries are now out of the oven. This is what it looks like. Everything looks amazing. This is what our loaded veggie fries look like. We have our coleslaw, a little salad to go with our chicken burgers. Got our sandwich bread, burger bread. And we have our baby carrots that I just grilled lightly with some olive oil, put some garlic powder on it, a little green seasoning, and put a dip with it. Great snack to munch on. Alright guys, so that is the menu for our family line later. A nice menu that I sure everybody is going to like. We got the burgers, a little mini carrot, the baby carrots with a dip. We made some coleslaw, we have some lettuce. The highlight of the line going to be these overloaded fries. We have the loaded veggie fries, and then we have the chili cheese fries. Now, do you guys make that at home? Have you ever done the overloaded fries? I think you need to get in the kitchen and whip up one, send us a picture, and guess what? You get a chance to win another hamper courtesy of Extra Foods. Now we want to see the most creative overloaded fries that you have, that you'll put together for your family line or your friends. Send a picture. Take a picture of it, send it to us. You've got till the end of the week, till Friday, to submit all your pictures to Extra Foods. I'll post the information below. All you need to do is just take a picture, send it to their Facebook page, and you'll have a chance to win this wonderful hamper. Overloaded fries are amazing. You can add just about anything to it. Get into the kitchen, come up with some ideas for overloaded fries, send a picture to us, get a chance to win a hamper. Thank you so much for watching, as always, and if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with all your friends too, and encourage them to get in the kitchen, make something nice. Overloaded fries, we're doing that this week. Who's gonna win this time? Let's wait and see. And don't forget to check out Extra Foods this month for all their specials. They've got a lot of items for the month of September, so be sure to check it out. In today's video, we used the Heat and Eat chicken burgers. We used baby carrots that are on special. Our coleslaw, we included the cabbage that is on special at Extra Foods in the coleslaw. And we had a blast with the fries that are also on special. So go grab your fries, get your pictures going, send them to us.